Hello children, today's our topic is real and first topic is real and virtual images. Children, it is very important to know what is real image and what is virtual image. Okay, real image is the image which can be the image. I am writing here because it is not given in the book. The image which can be obtained on a screen okay, the image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. And what are the characteristics of the real image? A real image is always inverted. Inverted means upside down. Okay, like arrow is straight like this, but the image of this arrow is formed like this on the screen. This is called upside down or inverted. It is formed on the same side of the screen. These things, when I will tell you about the mirrors, spherical mirrors, then I will show you. Okay, inverted images, how do they form on a screen? Okay, it is formed on the same side of the screen. These are the characteristics. Same side of the mirror. Third is the image of children example I would like to give you. The images of actors and actresses which you see on the screen in cinema hall are all real images. Okay, so these 2 points you remember. What is real image? The image which can be obtained on a screen, like in picture hall we see the picture in screen but not inverted. Why not inverted? Because they set it and we see it straight, like erect image. Okay, they place one more lens. And in our eyes also, all you have learnt last year, real image is formed at the on the retina. That is also what real image, because retina acts like screen. Now I am coming to the virtual image. What is virtual image? The image which cannot be obtained. Virtual image, the image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. Characteristics of virtual image is what? It is always erect. It is erect. Like we see our image in the mirror, it is erect. So that is our image on plain mirror is what? Virtual image. So virtual image is always erect, upright. It is always formed behind the mirror. Where it is found? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Our image in a plain mirror is an example of a virtual image. Now we are going to discuss about plane mirror, children. What is plane mirror? Any smooth polished surface that can reflect the rays of light and form a clear image is called a mirror. Like this is a smooth surface, polished, and it reflects the rays. An incident ray, and after striking this, it is going back, reflecting back. Okay, this is called a mirror. Any highly polished metal surface, example, a stainless steel plate or still water acts like a mirror. You have seen the reflection in the water also, a stagnant water. Okay. Now children, we are going to discuss the characteristics of the plane mirror. Now children, you look yourself closely in a mirror. Suppose this is mirror. You look yourself closely in a mirror. You will find, what do you observe about your image? Is it bigger or smaller than you, children? Or it is of same size? Now you place your palm. On the flat surface of the mirror and study its reflected image. Is the image bigger, smaller, or of the same size? You will find your image is of same size. Okay, so move your palm hand slowly away from the mirror and observe the size of the image all the time. You will find the size of the image means your palm neither increasing nor decreasing in size. Okay, so what we have concluded from this, the image is, I am writing down the characteristics of the images formed by the plane mirror. So the image is of the same size as that of the object. Okay, as that of the object. Now children, what you do, as you have seen, as you move your hand away from the mirror, the image also moving away from the mirror. Like the other side you are finding, like you are moving back this side, you are finding your image is also moving back other side. The image is at the same distance. Just I am giving you example, like this is the mirror. Okay, you have lighted the candle at 1 meter away from the mirror. You will find that the image is formed erect and same 1 meter away. Means this is object and this is image. So what is the distance between the object and the image? Total distance is what? 2 meter. Okay. So second characteristic is what? The distance of the image formed from the mirror equals the distance down here equals the distance of the object in front of the mirror. So this is clear? In front of the mirror. Okay. So this is the second point is clear. Now we are coming to the third point. This is very important point, children. Lift your, I'm erasing it. Lift your right hand. Okay. Like you see, this is mirror and this is your right hand and this is left. When you raise your right hand, and you will find this is mirror's left hand. You can see. Lift your right hand, the image in the mirror appears to lift its left hand. What do we call this? It's our right, it's left, and our left is its right. Okay, so this is what called virtual image. This is what virtual image. Okay, so third point is what? The image in a plane mirror is literally inverted. Third is the image formed by plane mirror is the image in a plane mirror is literally inverted. Literally inverted. Children, I am giving you one very good example. You have seen the word ambulance. Okay, on an ambulance is written in mirror writing. Like they write literally inverted. Why do they so? When the driver of the vehicle ahead of an ambulance, like suppose the person who is driving a car and seeing ambulance is like back, if the person, okay, vehicle ahead of an ambulance looks in a rear view mirror, he or she can read ambulance written on it and gives way to it. So you have seen ambulance is written in what manner? Literally inverted, so that the person ahead can see in his or her rear view mirror that ambulance is coming and can give the way to it. Okay. Now fourth is this virtual image is always, I told you that you have seen your mirror images formed, it is always erect. This is virtual. Erect virtual because it is formed behind the mirror. The image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror, and the image which forms behind the mirror, I told you already, is called virtual image. Behind the mirror, so the image is what? Virtual and erect. Behind the mirror, I am erasing. It is forming behind the mirror. So such image is called virtual and virtual image. Virtual image is always. So children, I was telling you the image which is formed on the mirror is formed behind the mirror. So such image is called virtual image, and virtual image is always erect. Thank you, children.